Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell.
Hello everyone, welcome back. The new Xiaomi 17T Pro is breaking tradition, and there's one huge surprise you won't want to miss. For the first time, a Xiaomi 17 series phone packs a flagship Dimensity processor. So let's see what makes the Xiaomi 17T Pro so special. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. Starting with the design, Xiaomi has gone in a completely new direction. It skips the all-black camera layout of the 17 Max and isn't just a bigger Xiaomi 17. Instead, it gets its own unique identity. The flash sits separately beside the camera module, while the Leica branding and Xiaomi logo line up horizontally, giving it the look of a compact Leica camera, especially in landscape mode. Overall, the Xiaomi 17T Pro feels like a balanced large-screen flagship. We'll cover the full experience later, but its biggest highlight is the Leica-powered 5x optical telephoto camera, a feature that's still rare at this price. So, let's see how it performs. While most rivals still offer 3x telephoto cameras, the Xiaomi 17T Pro steps up with a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens featuring an f3.0 aperture, OIS, and a 115mm equivalent focal length. The result is stronger zoom, better subject separation, and more cinematic-looking shots. To really test it, we took the phone to the zoo. Using the 5x telephoto lens, we captured animals with impressive detail. Need even more reach? From 20x to 120x, IA Super Zoom kicks in, using advanced AI to rebuild textures and details beyond what the hardware alone can capture. But this camera isn't just for distant subjects. It also supports telephoto macro with a minimum focusing distance of just 30 centimeters. Whether it's food, flowers, or animals, you get incredible close-up detail with a smooth, natural background blur. And speaking of blur, portrait photography is another big strength. The Xiaomi 17T Pro brings the same master portrait and Leica portrait algorithms as Xiaomi's flagship phones. Paired with the 115mm telephoto lens, portraits look deeper, sharper, and beautifully cinematic. Here's the final surprise. Portrait mode now supports live mode too. You can capture a stunning bokeh cover photo while recording live video at the same time. Xiaomi calls this Leica Live Moment, and the Xiaomi 17T Pro is the very first phone to introduce it. There's more. After taking live photos, you can edit them in the gallery, add the new Leica Live watermark, and even combine multiple live shots into one smooth sequence. It's a simple way to create more cinematic and engaging stories. Now let's get back to the main camera. The Xiaomi 17T Pro packs a 50-megapixel View Hunter 9500 sensor with a bright f1.67 aperture and a 23mm focal length. It doesn't just capture great photos, it also records up to 8K 30fps and 4K 120fps video, giving creators plenty of flexibility. Want more control? Both the 1x main camera and the 5x telephoto support 4K 60fps log recording. You can even preview the live effect while shooting, making it easier to get the perfect look before editing. Now for performance. The Xiaomi 17T Pro is powered by the 3nm Dimensity 9500, and the results are seriously impressive. We tested Genshin Impact at max graphics with dual peak resonance enabled. After 30 minutes, the phone delivered an average of 59.9 FPS, used just 4.13 W of power, and drained only 7% battery. Even after the test, temperatures stayed under control, reaching 48.8 degrees Celsius on the back and 47.1 degrees Celsius on the front. It's clear Xiaomi has optimized the Dimensity 9500 for both power and efficiency. Battery life is another huge win. The phone packs a massive 7,000 milliamp hour Xiaomi Golden Sand battery. In our 4-hour test, including 3 hours of daily use and 1 hour of gaming, it consumed only 33% battery. That means getting around 12 hours of use on a single charge is completely realistic, one of the biggest strengths of the phone. So, to wrap it all up, the Xiaomi 17T Pro strikes an excellent balance. You get a big 6.83-inch display, a slim 8.25mm body, a weight of 219 grams, and a huge 7,000 milliamp-hour battery for long-lasting everyday use. Its Leica-powered 115mm 5x telephoto camera delivers flagship-level photography, while the Dimensity 9500 has more than enough power for both pro-level imaging and demanding gaming. So, what do you think? Is the Xiaomi 17T Pro your next flagship smartphone? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!